Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to stop TikTok video lag. I noticed my TikTok feed starting to lag the other day. Videos buffering, scrolling, feeling choppy, the whole thing just not as smooth as usual. One quick fix that helped was clearing the app's cache data. I opened TikTok, went to my profile in the bottom right corner, tapped the three-line menu at the top to open settings and privacy. After scrolling for a bit, I found a section called Cache and Cellular, then tap Free Up Space. Inside, TikTok shows how much cache and downloaded data the app has stored. I'll tap on Clear Cache, confirm it, and within a few seconds, the stored data was removed. When I went back to the feed and started scrolling again, the videos loaded much smoother. It's a small thing, but clearing the cache can make a noticeable difference, and the app has been running for a while. And if the log still shows up, a quick app update or restarting your phone can also help keep TikTok running smoothly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.